Hi guys! Good morning! And ngayon, it's a Sunday at I just want to do a practice vlog here in the camera I found sa aming bahay. And let's see if maganda ba siya i-vlog or not. See you guys! Hi guys, it's currently 9:44 and late na akong gumising. Parang sira kasi yung sira yung body clock ko lately and I need to fix it. Kasi malapit na yung class namin. Next 2 days. Oh my god, di pa ako ready. So, I'm done with my morning routine. Tapos na ako mag-breakfast, maghugas ng plato, and gumawa ng coffee. It's currently 11:46 a.m. We're gonna go to church mga around 1 a.m. kasi I think it's 1:15 yung church. Ligo muna ako. Before we leave, I just want to do a quick fit check. My top is from Shein. Yung trouser is binigay ito ng mama ko. The loafers is yung school shoes ko. Pwede ko ito panggala or like for school. The bag is from Gentlewoman. And this is the fit. They're calling me kasi aalis na kami. Arina! Gonna go now. Go home first kasi meron pa silang pupunta ni Lola at Lolo at ayokong sumama. Gusto ko na lang umuwi. Okay, uuwi ako ngayon. And that's how I spend my Sunday. I'm currently eating unseasoned peanuts. Gawa ng lola ko. Nagluluto siya ng peanuts na may season. And ayoko na may na may salt or anything. Gusto ko lang plain lang talaga. Because I'm gonna end my vlog here. Kasi I'm gonna rest. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. And this is my first video using this GoPro Hero 5. By the way, grabe yung hindi naman grabe, pero umuulan dito sa amin right now. Good thing nakauwi ako na na hindi pa umulan. Kasi wala akong dala umbrella. This is just like my first video na tinatry ko tong camera to. Kasi I just wanna see if okay ba siya or if pwede. I think pwede naman itong gamitin. Pero the only problem I have is the gigabytes of this memory card is only 6 GB. And hindi ito akin. Pero it's fine kasi ko naman gumagamit. Planning to like buy a higher gigabytes. Kulang sa akin yung 6GB. This is it. I'll see you guys soon, and I really hope you enjoyed this video kasi wala, this is how I spend my Sunday talaga with my grandparents. And yan talaga ginagawa namin every Sunday. Bye guys! Thank you for watching.